Hey guys, this is RTS Rush's Sanddog here, ready to play some Happy Wheels for you. So let's be happy and play some Happy Wheels, all happiness, happiness all around. Now let's play. Now there's a lot of new levels. I've actually played this before, but I've seen a lot of people on the internet doing, commentaries on it. Toby Games does it. Uh, what's his face? Nova does it. Uh, I've heard PewDiePie does it, but let's do some Temple Run first. I don't play Temple Run. Really? Level problems? Making me mad, yo. About to bust caps, except I'm not. Alright. Oh god. Edward Scissorhands is right behind me, guys. Oh god, I'm gonna... I got this, guys. It's still all me. Ah, oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Edward Scissorhands is right behind me, guys. Edward Scissorhands. He's like, play be my friend, and I'm like, leave me alone. Play be my friend, Sanddog, and I'm like, shut your damn mouth. Here we go. Final jump. Victory. Woo. Look at that. That is just winners all around. You guys helped me do that. I could hear you chanting at home. Just, woo! Look at me now. I happen to be a pro player at this game. Alright. What did it say? I saw something about spiders. What's up with spiders? Oh, what the? Who the hell? The balls? Oh god, Timmy. Hey look, it's a train hobo. Ow, my... Ah! Train hobo, no! It's all meat. It's just meat. I'll save you, train hobo. Oh, I guess you're kind of super glued on top of that train. I want to be the conductor. Can I be the conductor? I don't think I could be the conductor. I want to be the conductor anyway. God, my face! Where am I? Where's me? I've been slain by the Tibby. I have no shame, apparent. Oh god, my arm. Oh god. Oh. Oh god. Bumpy. Oh, those are spears. Who's living in that? Ah! Oh no. I'm dead. I would have died anyway. Now I have a spear through my face. Oh, now I got a spear through my everything. That sucked. This is not... This train isn't even full of ghosts. This is like a happy hobo train. Forces of the cosmic silverback. Hate it when that happens. Alright, I'm obviously dead. Well, I'm alive, but about it is limbo. Abandoned ship, Timmy. Oh, God. Why is it always my arm? Get off of me, bike. This is a world full of people with legs and arms, and that doesn't sound right at all. My bike is still here. So's that stupid car seat. Oh, this sucks. Ah, oh, quit running me over, bike. Quit it. Ah, oh, bike. Why would you do something like this to me? Oh god, the happy hobo. He's gone now. He's split in half. He's gone to a better place where free parking and he doesn't have to buy Park Place. Oh, that didn't even go well. Right off the bat. For real now. Let's get this train a-goin' on the rails. Why do I... Right? Why at the beginning does it just do that? Abandon ship, Timmy. We got a plane. We got a train to... Ow! 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 Quit! Ow! 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 Quit hitting me with arrows. Ow. I guess I'm dead. Yeah, I guess I'm dead now. This is kind of suck. If I don't get it in this try, then I'm just gonna go and try a different map. All aboard the happy hobo train. Timmy, hold on! That's a good boy. Oh god, don't hold on that hard. Timmy! I'm not paying for your medical bills. Quit destroying your arms. You can leave that to your mother. Let him go, you old man. You old dirty man pervert. Let my son go. You're not even grabbing him. You're not his father. Neither am I. Oh! Oh god! Timmy! Oh, I think you're fine, Timmy. Like, really, I think you are. Like, what is happening to this train? Stupid vultures. I can do this, guys. Bet you an arm and a leg that I can. See what I did there? Because I only have... Yeah. Anyway. This train is a-goin', and I'm the conductor. All I need is that happy hobo's hat. Happy hobo... hoboson. Oh no! Ah! Help! No! I have to... No, I think I'm dead, actually. Oh, dear God! Ah! Ah! My buns! Ah! Good golly, Greg Jesus. Balls Mahoney. My God. What just happened? Tell you what, I was probed. That's what happened. Anyway, I only got a few more, like a minute left of recording until Bandicam up here is like, "No, you're doo-doo." So, what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna ask you politely to rate, subscribe, whatever, even if it means I have to do it in an accent. Like this. Look at the bear. I'm asking you to politely do everything that I said before. Look at the bear. Anyway, yeah, so if you could do that, that'd be great. Like, subscribe, whatever, for more Happy Wheels. Check out my friends' channels, whatever. Check out their playlists. Remember to subscribe to RTS Russia so we can get some more stuff done. When we get a capture card, we're going to be doing a lot of Xbox Live stuff, so be sure to play with us then, because we'll be doing some community gaming with you guys. So, yeah, have fun. RTS Russia Sanddog saying bye-bye, eat chicken noodle, and goodbye.